Hey, what's up everybody? Here is another DG airbrushing video for you. And we are going to go over true fire flames. We have a 72 Camaro, name split personality. Pardon the mess, but it gets messy when we paint. So we're gonna start out with Candy Apple Red. It's House of Color. This one in particular is pre-mixed, ready for the airbrush. I am going to be usually I use a Creo's 771 airbrush, but for this I'm using a Black Widow that came from Harbor Freight for $100 just to lay down the Candy Apple Red, which I'll be switching to what is it? An Eagle, a Pash Eagle with the wide fan just for coverage purposes. But anyway, I laid out the flames already in white. You don't have to do that. You could lay it all out in this candy paint. I like to do it so I have a good idea of what direction we're going with it and to see if the overall flames kind of flow together. So I'm just gonna lay Candy Apple Red all over what I currently have. You don't have to worry about overspray, but because this is the black side, you're going to see that when you clear coat it, it'll just be like a red glow, but it won't be a stark contrast, so you don't have to worry about the overspray on the black. And if you tack in between coats, that'll take care of really a majority of it. I just did that fancy transition for no reason, and we're still laying the Candy Apple Red. I lay a lot of it because I want it to be significant when we clear coat it. I mean, that's when you're really going to be able to notice the candies, is when you clear coat. But after this Candy Apple Red, we're going to lay down Molly Orange, which is another House of Color, but it is an opaque color. It's not a candy at all. And I believe, sorry for the bad angle, I believe that the orange, yep, that is the Molly Orange. So we're gonna lay that down next over the Candy Apple Red, and we're gonna be within the spray pattern of the red. You're gonna see, boom, I made a big mistake right there. It spilled out of the top because I was moving too fast. Then I'm gonna have to wipe that up and then cover it up. So this is real time. You're gonna see me wipe it up. I already tacked it off. Now I'm with that Molly Orange. I gotta make a flame. And I know I'm in the very beginning process, so I'm not too worried about that, splatter. If I was near the end, it'd be a different story. We're keeping the flames really loose right now. We're not worried about using a shield to, tighten down the lines. We're just loose flames, Molly Orange over Candy Apple Red. Here's what the whole car looks like, and my camera skills are not the best, so you have to bear with me. And we are still laying the Molly Orange, even though you really can't see what I'm doing, but you gotta trust me that we're laying loose flames with the Molly Orange over the Candy Apple Red. And I'm emphasizing the steps because it's imperative that you were to follow them if you were to try this. Be in a well-ventilated area and wear a mask as well, because these are not waterborne. I usually use Createx Candy 2.0 paints, but for this project I wanted to House of Color candies and paints. I don't think there is a more premium brand, and you can notice, I think, in the color, and this car deserves to have, there's the Molly Orange, this car deserves to have the pigment that House of Color brings, and I don't know another paint that brings the type of colors that House of Colors do, to be honest, after it's cleared. It's more expensive for sure, but I think it's well worth it. Let me know what you think in the comment section if you have a paint that you prefer or you think is better than House of Color. Let's see, what are we doing here? I think we're still laying out the Molly Orange, and this is a condensed film. Obviously, it took me longer than 6 minutes to do all this, but we're still doing the Molly Orange and doing loose flames. The next video will be, what will we be doing next? We'll be laying tangerine candy orange over the top of the Molly Orange, and then going to chrome yellow, and after the chrome yellow we'll be laying down candy orange, then chrome yellow again, and then pagan gold candy over the top of everything. And that's what really kind of makes everything glow and sets it off. So here we're still loose. We won't start tightening things down until the chrome yellow. And with the flames, as you know, I was a big fan of Mike Lavelli. I think he did amazing work. Ooh, this video's about to be done. It's getting late. I'm out.